So in sound comparison, the JBL wins a little bit with the bass and the deepness. The Xdobo is a little bit brighter in the sound, and I do have to say this one has a much bigger battery. So the battery life is a lot better. Because it has a big battery, it can also be used as a power bank for emergency power. So the capacity is around 2500 milliamps. The JBL has a very small battery, so that's something I always disliked about the Go 3. The battery life is very short, only around 2 hours, 3 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.